Hello and welcome to the Happy Homemaker. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this easy granola recipe. Here is the list of ingredients, and now let's get started. Let's start off by adding all of our oats to a bowl. Then add in your cinnamon and your salt and mix that all together. And once that's all mixed together, we're just going to head off to the next step. In a pot on medium heat, we're going to be adding in our brown sugar, our honey, and our vegetable oil. And we're going to mix that and bring it to a boil. Once it starts to just start bubbling, we're just going to mix that for 30 seconds and then set it aside. We're going to set it aside for 1 minute before stirring in our vanilla extract. We just want to make sure that all of the sugar is dissolved. And then just add that to the oats and mix it all together. Make sure to mix really well so that all the oats are coated, and press it in to the oats if you need to. It'll take a few minutes. And just add that to a parchment lined pan and bake that in the oven for an hour, but make sure to mix every 15 minutes. It could be a little bit less than an hour or a little bit more. We're just looking for it to look a little bit toasted and golden. The granola will not harden until it is cooled. As you can see, it's kind of getting darker each time that I mix it and take it out of the oven. And once it's finished, we're just going to sit it in the pan to cool for about an hour until it's completely cooled. If you want, you can add in some other stuff like nuts and dried fruit if you'd like, but only once it's completely cooled. But that's what it looks like when it's completely done, and I'm just adding that to a container, and I'm going to leave that at room temperature. I hope you enjoy this recipe, and if you want to see more like this, don't forget to subscribe to the Happy Homemaker. Thanks for watching.